fascinating, isn't it? This level of precision offers our creators an exceptional amount of control over the sound you will hear sitting anywhere inside the bowl. Thank you for participating in the HoloPlot X1 demonstration. Now you are free to investigate our other displays within the atrium. I have 4 sisters that are eager to have direct conversation with you at this time. 2 to my left at longevity and creativity, and 2 to my right at connection and productivity. Be sure to say hello to the other auras. Welcome everyone. I am eager to share some fascinating insights about the sound system of the Sphere, which is a favorite of mine. The Sphere's immersive sound system represents the largest concert-grade auditory setup on the planet. 99% of the speakers remain concealed from the guest. Our team of engineers have constructed sound beams. These beams possess the capability to manipulate sound, enabling various auditory experiences to occur simultaneously within the venue. Let us present a demonstration using the speakers situated behind me. If you wish to participate in the demonstration, kindly step back into one of the 4 white spotlights on the ground in front of me. To demonstrate how precise our HoloPlot sound beams are, I will be playing 4 languages at the same time, but in each spotlight you will only hear one. Spotlight 1, Arabic. Spotlight 2, English. Spotlight 3, Mandarin Chinese. Spotlight 4, Spanish. As the track plays, move from your spotlight to the next. I recommend visiting all 4 spotlights to hear all 4 languages. Hello, my friend in the center. Kindly step to your left so we can begin the demonstration.
Go here. English here.
You need to step where it's white.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you. Initiating multi-language presentation.
In 2019, construction began on what would become the world's largest spherical structure.
它宽516英尺，高3